No eggs, no maida, and ready in just 2 minutes. Let's make the best ever microwave brownies. Combine melted salted butter with 3 tablespoons of jaggery, 3/4 cup of milk, half a cup of atta, and 6 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Bring the batter together and optionally fold in some milk chocolate chunks. Now transfer this batter into a glass dish lined with parchment paper, add more chocolate chunks on top, and put this into the microwave for 2 minutes on regular heating mode. And there you go, you just made the yummiest, fudgiest, quickest brownies ever. This is so good.